Hi everyone, welcome back to my lab and today's video, which is going to be my very first GlossyBox unboxing. If you're not new to my channel, then you know I love subscription boxes. I find them to be like a little surprise to myself every single month, and so whenever I can afford to indulge in a good subscription box, I do enjoy doing so. You may have also found my channel through my subscription box video, which is how GlossyBox actually found my channel, and they reached out to me and offered to send me a box to try out and unbox on my channel with you, and I was like, absolutely, I love subscription boxes. And it's funny because someone had asked me to review GlossyBox on that subscription box video, and so here we are. Before we get into the unboxing, if you're new here, I'm Yori. Thank you for clicking on my video. I hope you're going to enjoy this one. Give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel so that you can join me for a future video. I do all kinds of makeup reviews, makeup hauls, subscription box unboxings, and things like that. I would love to have you join my makeup family. Now, without any further delay, let's get into this box because I'm dying to see what's inside. Now, as I said in the intro, this was a very generous gift from GlossyBox, and so I'm really grateful to Lena at GlossyBox for sending this my way. I'm really happy to unbox it. I did a little bit of research to find out more about this box since I didn't know anything about it at first. It's a $21 a month subscription, and you do receive 5 deluxe size samples in each box to try. Now, you can purchase your subscription on a month-to-month, or you can do like 3-month or 6-month, and you do get a little bit of a savings if you do the larger subscription. Let's open it up. It's a nice presentation, isn't it? So exciting. So anyway, like I was saying, you do get savings if you get one of the larger package, like prepaid subscriptions. Right now, they ship to the US for no charge, and they also ship to Canada, but for Canadian subscribers, there is a $5 shipping fee. So here's how it comes packaged. That's fun. Look at that. By the way, there is a little sticker on the front. Let me see. It says 2020 May GlossyBox V1, so I'm assuming that's version 1. I'm not sure if there's like different variations or anything like that, but that's what this one looks like. We have a discount code for CBDFX, 30% off your first order at CBDFX. Looks like vitamins, supplements, and maybe some face masks. The code is GlossyBox30, so I don't know if that's a place that you order from. Never heard of that one. Oh, so actually the box is inside another box, and this is what this one looks like. That is such a nice presentation, isn't it? Very cute. So it looks like the theme this month is Wild Thing. This is a really nice box. I'm gonna have to hold on to this one and use it for decorative purposes. So it looks like there was another variation of the box, which is shown here on the insert. I'm sorry, I know I'm dragging, but I wanna like truly enjoy the experience. I really enjoy subscription boxes. So this is the insert that tells you everything that's inside the box. So looks like that. Let's take a look. There's a nice ribbon here. Very cute. And the paper actually has a little sticker there. A+ for presentation. All right, so here we have something from that company, the CBDFX. This is the charcoal face mask. It's supposed to be purifying and brightening. I do love a good face mask. So this is a hemp charcoal mask. I like that it is brightening. I do enjoy a brightening face mask. Seems like there's a lot of juice in there too. So that's the first product. We also have something from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is the Kiss Proof Lip Creme. Let me put this down. And it is in the shade Rose Petal. There's that one. Okay, well this doesn't look like a deluxe size, right? This looks like a full-size product, which is nice. Oh, it smells sweet, like fruit punch or something. Very nice wine shade, huh? Very pretty tone. I like it. All right, so let's put this one aside from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Next, we have an Elemis, and this is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is the Super Cleansing Balm, and I assume it's a makeup remover balm. This is very timely because I just ran out of my Clinique one that I was using. I really like that one too, but I would definitely enjoy trying out Elemis. I've tried Elemis in other subscription boxes, and I've enjoyed their products. This one has kind of a minty fragrance to it. Yeah, just says Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Definitely something I can use. Here we have something from Ico. This is also not deluxe deluxe size, right? This is a full-size item, I think. It is an eyeliner, the I Do liquid eyeliner, and it is the Line and Enhance in the black color. So here's how that one comes packaged. Now this one appears to be a felt liner. Let's see. Oh, and it also says that it has Wide Lash, which is a conditioning tripeptide complex designed to enhance the appearance of eyelashes with 3 times more length and volume. That's nice. So it looks like it has an eyelash conditioner as well. This is really interesting. I'm actually using New Lash right now to try to help grow out my lashes. I've been really enjoying that actually. I wanted to wait some time, see if I could see some effects before I shared it on my channel, but it's really interesting that this comes with some sort of complex to enhance your eyelashes as well. Really interested in trying that out. So that's the Ico black eyeliner. So that's 4 products. Here's the last product in the box, and this must be where they got the inspiration for the box, or maybe vice versa. Maybe it's one of those like subscription specific ones. Now this is from the brand Steve Laurent, and it is the Wild Thing. I'm assuming this is an eyeshadow palette. Let's go ahead and open it and see. It says this is a cruelty-free brand. I wonder if it's a cruelty-free box. I'm not too sure if that's the case. I'll double check. I'll put the information in the box down below. By the way, they did give me a discount code. If you use code Yori, you can have 22% off of your first box. So this is the Wild Thing palette. Let's open it up. Oh, very nice. It looks like one of those little MAC ×9 eyeshadow palettes. This is a really pretty travel palette. So you have a mixture of mattes and shimmers. There's more shimmers. So all the way across the middle and that last column are shimmers. And it looks like the first 2 on the top and bottom row are mattes. So there's what that one looks like. This is very nice for a neutral everyday kind of wear. I think that I could actually have gotten the look that I'm wearing today. I was trying to go for the foxy eye look using a palette like this because it's very neutral. Very nice. So again, this appears to me to be a full-size product. Really, the only thing I would consider deluxe size would be the cleaning balm and then maybe just the mask since you're getting only 1. But I think that's really great. I was expecting only sample sizes, and then here we are getting at least 3 full-size products in my opinion, which I think is great. So this is really nice. Thank you again to GlossyBox for sending me the box. I am so definitely going to be holding on to this box. It's so cute, so cute. I can definitely use it to store like my perfume samples and things like that, so I have them for later. The lip color has dried down so you could see the true shade there. It's definitely a matte liquid lipstick. Very excited. I think that the items are really nice. You get a good mix of products as well, so I think it's definitely worth the $21 a month. Yeah, really interesting. So I will leave my link that they gave me in the description box down below along with the code for 22% off if you're interested in checking it out for yourself. Otherwise, thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing. Let me know what you thought of the products. I'm super impressed with the box. I mean, the products are good too, but the presentation here is really, really cute. I wasn't expecting that. It's really nice. So that's everything for today's unboxing. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you're notified when I upload a future video. Thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with me. I really appreciate it. I hope you're doing well, staying safe, and I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon for my next one. Bye-bye.